In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your Google Drive files to Dropbox effortlessly. This is a helpful skill to have, especially if you want to manage your data more effectively across different cloud storage platforms. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to head over to your Google Drive account. Once you're there, locate your avatar on the top right corner of the page and click on it. This will give you several options, and you're going to want to select Manage your Google account. By doing this, you're opening up a wide range of settings that control different aspects of your Google services. Next, on the left-hand side, you'll find a menu. Click on Data and Privacy. This section is all about controlling what data is accessed by Google Apps and how it's handled. It's crucial to be familiar with this area to protect your private information. Scrolling down a bit, you'll see a section labeled Data from Apps and Services You Use. Under this, there's a link for content saved from Google services. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a page where you can manage the content saved by various Google applications. Among the various services available, you'll want to find Google Drive. Once you spot it, click on Download. This is where we start the process of moving your data from Google Drive. Now here's an important step. Click on Advanced Settings within this interface. You'll see two boxes there. Make sure both boxes are checked, then press OK. This ensures you're including all necessary data for transfer. Moving along, click on All Drive Data Included. A list of folders will appear. Choose the specific folders you'd like to transfer over to Dropbox. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click OK. You're setting the groundwork for where your data will go. After that, click on Next Step. This will bring you to a section where you can determine where you want your data to go. Click on the drop-down menu to select your destination. Choose Add to Dropbox as your preferred destination, since that's our goal. Once you've selected Dropbox, scroll down and click on Link Accounts and Create Export. If you're not already logged into your Dropbox account, it will prompt you to do so now. This linking process is crucial as it gives permission for Google to share your data with Dropbox. Finally, go to your Dropbox account and refresh the page. Navigate to Apps on your Dropbox interface and you should see your transferred file or folder right there. And that's it. You've successfully moved your files from Google Drive to Dropbox. This process not only helps in having a backup, but also in accessing your data across different platforms with ease. Thanks for following along, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.